Good question. So do you need to know whether it's going to be a buy to sell or buy to keep? I will always teach you, I want you to have both options. I don't mean that I want you to wobble about what you're going to do. What I mean is every single property I want you to buy has plan A, which might be buy to keep. Let's make a load of money on the long run. And plan B, let's do a buy to sell. Let's make a load of money in the short term. To a small degree, the refurb will be different. It won't be enormously different. And if plan B happens and you're going to buy to sell it rather than buy to keep it, you can always make those minor alterations. You're quite right though, if you're going to turn a larger house into an HMO, I typically, and we'll have to look at some examples, I typically have many en suites in, because when you're 28, do you really want to be sharing a loo with somebody else? So my en suites go like that because there aren't enough in the marketplace. But I would never want you, Alison, or any of you going, I've bought this house, it only works as a buy to keep. It doesn't work as a buy to sell. Well, what if you change your mind, decide you want the cash flow, etc.? Or more importantly, I've bought this house, it only works as a buy to sell. It doesn't work on yield. And we're going to talk about all of the different analytics later on today. You guys are going to do an exercise on it. If it's a 5% yielder, I don't want you buying it, even if you're going to make 30 grand on a buy to sell, because you've got no helmet and you've not got no safety jacket. And property is a little monkey. Property, just when you are sure that the thing is a perfect buy to sell, the market will just stop. So I always want you having a plan A and plan B for every single property you have. Always. Even if you're pretty sure you're going to do this.